Crunching the numbers each month can be hard. Make life easier with Veloxap's all-in-one analytics platform for payments. Insight-focused and performance-driven, Veloxap for Payments is a solution designed to address the archiving, reporting, and analytics needs of the industry. It makes analysis of payment data rich, fast, and accurate. Designed and built on a robust, enterprise, world-class data management and BI platform, you enjoy fast integration and transformation of data into valuable information. Veloxap for Payments solution is comprised of key modules with ready-made adapters to extract data and integrate with local money transfer network, local utility and bill payments, cards activities, international money transfer, electronic wireless payments, and e-wallet. SARI is a state-of-the-art payment and settlement system connecting all banks in Saudi Arabia. Veloxap payment features for SARI integration include data model adapted for analytical and archiving transaction integration adapters. Ready to connect SARI payment systems in Saudi Arabia. Schedule daily data extraction from SARI database into archived database. Interface for inquiries and search engine system setup and configuration module for access control, security, and connectivity. Enterprise class business objects BI layer with pre-built reports to monitor, analyze, and explore data in-house. Accelerate your digital transformation with MDSap. Veloxap for Payments. Actionable insight, continued success.